Say goodbye to your glasses and improve your eyesight with this incredible home recipe. You wouldn't think it would be possible to improve your eyesight without getting an expensive surgery, but it is possible. And the truth is, for most of us we will lose some quality in our eyesight over time. Beginning in the early to mid-40s, many adults may start to have problems seeing clearly at close distances, especially when reading and working on the computer. This is among the most common problems adults develop between ages 41 to 60. This normal change in the eye's focusing ability, called presbyopia, will continue to progress over time. Initially, you may need to hold reading materials farther away to see them clearly. Or you may need to remove your glasses to see better up close. Print in the newspaper or on a restaurant menu may appear blurred, especially under dim lighting. If you already wear prescription glasses or contact lenses to see clearly in the distance, these changes in your near vision can be corrected by switching to bifocal or multifocal lenses. Fortunately, people with presbyopia now have many options to improve their vision. Vladimir Petrovich Filatov, a Russian scientist, ophthalmologist, and surgeon, dedicated his career and life in order to find a way that will improve vision, but in a natural way. He combined conventional and alternative medicine in order to come up with a remedy to cure, improve, and prevent poor eyesight. Filatov advised patients to prepare the mixture according to the recipe of alternative medicine. Everyone was amazed by the result of this vitamin bomb, which does not only improve vision but also prevents further weakening. Since this remedy became widely spread, it has successfully treated a vast number of people. Eye health recipe. Ingredients: 4 ounces organic aloe juice, 1/2 cup walnuts, crushed, 1 teaspoon raw organic honey, 1 small organic lemon, freshly squeezed. How to use. Consume the mixture 30 to 45 minutes before a meal, 3 times a day. Allow for 2 to 4 weeks to start noticing positive changes in eyesight.